Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Picked up one of these little hover guys. Some of these come in a ball, some of them come in characters. This is the Marvel Avengers, the Incredible Hulk. We'll get him out and show you how he works. Here's our little flying man. This one is the Incredible Hulk. He's all green and all. Let's open him up and see what he does here. There's your Hulk. There's extra propellers, because the way I fly, I'll probably need them. There's your charging cable. There is your Incredible Hulk fist. When you're flying him, you'll be controlling him up and down with your hand. When you get ready to catch him, push the button on the back. It shuts him off. Fall right into your hand, all right? Let's see what we can do here. We'll get him open here. There we go. Get all this out of the way here. There he is, the Incredible Hulk. There's your charging port right there on the back. Plug it in the USB port on your PC or one of your battery chargers like to charge phone with. I think it's 30 to 60 minute charge time. Whoop, stand up there, guy. Yeah, and get him to stand up there. I guess he ain't gonna stand up. Charging port, 30, 60 minute charge time. When you're flying him, show you here. Little switch on off right there on the back. Turn that on. Whoa. Now when you're through flying him, on the back there's an on off button. Push that. Shuts him down. He'll fall right into your hand rather than fly right back up. Alright? Sounds like a lot of fun. We'll get over here in the other part of the room and we'll get him flying. Incredible Hulk. Alright, when you're ready to charge these guys, this guy here is the Incredible Hulk. Turn him around. Right there on the back is the charging port. Charging cable. Plugs into it just like this. Plug this into your PC or a phone charger, either one. See how it lights up red right there? Red? That says it's charging. When that light goes out, it's done. So they said take 30 to 60 minutes on first time. After that, it'll probably only take you maybe 30 minutes. And we'll charge him and take him in there and fly him. Here is the Incredible Hulk. Our little flying man. There's your on off switch right there. Turn it on. Alright. Remember your button on the side? Shuts him down. Looks like you have to hold it down for a few seconds. Turn it back on. Acts like you might need a little charge in it, doesn't it? Yeah, I think we need to see what we can do here. Maybe he'll fly a little bit. Alright, he flies pretty good. Or fair. A lot better than the Iron Man one I had did. Remember how to shut him down? Push the button. Yeah. There it goes. Finally shuts down. I think we need to go charge this guy a little bit more, okay? Alright, let's see how the Hulk can fly here. Remember your on off button here. On. Kind of touchy with whether this thing's underneath him or not. It slows down if it's not. got me, didn't it? Okay, while the switch is on, you can turn him on and off with this. Where is it? Right there it is. I guess not. Boy, you have to chase him down sometimes. Alright, we got him. Let's shut him down for a second. The on-off button doesn't seem to work there on that. Whew. Boy, you got me up there a while ago. Incredible Hulk. Now we have an Iron Man, but he just didn't fly very good. He didn't want to recognize your hand under here, and I had trouble with him. But this one seems to be flying pretty good. Let's fly him again. What do you say? Doing pretty good, isn't he? Alright. He recognizes your hand pretty good. The Iron Man didn't want to do that though. See if this will turn him off here now. Yeah, he falls right into your hand. How about that? That's pretty nice. I like that. The little button on the back of his shield turned him off. Fell right into my hand. I want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. You got a lot more of these. Go check out the playlist. Leave us a comment. Tell us what you think. Also, check out the description below. I have links to Amazon where you can find a lot of these. Okay? Thanks for watching and see you next time.